In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sideload apps on iPhone iOS 17.4. To make this work smoothly, the main goal is to ensure your iPhone is fully updated and set to receive the latest system and security improvements that enable sideloading features where they're supported. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in, scroll down and tap General. From there, go to Software Update. This is where your iPhone checks for the latest iOS version. Before you install anything, tap Automatic Updates near the top of the screen. In this section, make sure every relevant switch is turned on. You want iOS updates to download and install automatically, and you want security responses and system files enabled as well. With these options on, your iPhone is set to pick up critical updates promptly, including the changes tied to iOS 17.4 that make sideloading possible in supported regions. Now go back to the software update page. If an update is available, you'll see it right away. Tap to start the update and let your iPhone download and prepare it. Depending on your connection and the size of the update, this can take a little while, so give it time to complete. Keeping your device awake and with a good connection helps the process along. When the download and installation finish, your iPhone will need to restart. If it doesn't restart on its own, go ahead and restart it manually so the changes fully apply. After your iPhone restarts on iOS 17.4 with automatic updates and security responses enabled, you're ready to access the sideloading capabilities introduced with this release. The point of these steps is simple. By updating first and ensuring automatic installation is active, you put your device in the correct state to take advantage of the new options related to installing apps outside the App Store where that functionality is available. If you don't see iOS 17.4 at first, check back a bit later. Sometimes updates roll out gradually. That's the entire process. Open Settings, go to General, check Software Update, turn on automatic updates with security responses and system files, install the latest iOS, and restart. Once that's done, your iPhone is prepared for sideloaded apps on iOS 17.4. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.